all of you for joining us here in the grand opening of Dynasty Fight Club, powered by URCC. We're going to start our slap battle for tonight. I'm going to explain the rules for our slap battle. Fighters need to make sure their feet is flat on the ground when they slap. Fighters need to slap only using their palm, not including the wrist. They need to slap using their palm, not slapping their ear, their eyes, and their chin. And now, without further ado, let us begin the slap battle. In the blue corner, Erwin Bermudez!
Eto, Tito JC, slap battle muna tayo. Yes. Erwin Bermudez, 33 years old, 5 feet and 4 inches with a power of 70 kilograms. 70 kilograms, medyo
masakit ba sampal ng ganun kabigat?
Mabigat-bigat ang kamay nito.
In our red corner, DJ Velasco.
Red corner, GJ Velasco, 24 years old, 5 feet and 4 inches, magkasing laki sila. And 1 kilogram lighter than Erwin Bermudez.
Negligible yung difference nila pagdating sa timbang. Hindi ganun kalayo. Halos match silang dalawa.
It will matter, yung timbang nila, it will matter, pero depende pa rin sa technique. It will all depend on their techniques on slapping.
Round 1. Our referee in charge, Florence Eusebio.
It's round 1. Erwin Bermudez won the he gets to choose kung siya ang mauuna o mauuna si GJ sa kanya. So Erwin gets to
do the first lap. The people watching, kung bakit may powder dyan, para hindi ganun katindi. Kumbaga hindi ganun kagaspang yung magiging impact. Pero masakit pa rin.
Oh, that was a good slap. Pero parang hindi ininda ni GJ Velasco.
Wala lang daw.
Parang wala lang.
GJ Velasco, sabi niya. Dapat sa mga ganito, yung sampal na parang may kasalanan sa'yo yung kalaban mo. Ang gawin mo.
Oo. Oh!
Malutong.
Malutong. Pero parang hindi rin naman ininda ni Erwin Bermudez. Second round for Erwin Bermudez. Let's see if he can
Round 2.
bring GJ Velasco down. Uy! Wala na! A roar by GJ Velasco.
Lumalabas na yung mga palo nila. Pero parang iniinda lang nila.
Sinasalo lang. It's GJ Velasco's turn. Oop!
Wala lang daw?
Wala lang rin daw. Wala lang rin. Sabi ni Erwin Bermudez kulang. This is our round 3. Third slap for Erwin Bermudez.
Last round.
Another roar by GJ Velasco. Maliit daw, mahina raw. Third slap by GJ Velasco. Ooh. Mukhang pinagpag yun ni, ni Erwin Bermudez.
Basta alam ko, ramdam ko yung mga sampal nila mula dito sa pwesto natin.
And now we go for our judges' decision. Walang bumagsak, pero parehong nasaktan. Panigurado yan, may nasaktan dyan.
Pagkatapos ng lahat, nagyakapan pa rin ang dalawa.
Oo. Masakit yan, Tito JC.
Oo.
Naranasan mo na bang masampal?
Oo.
Many times?
Oo. Lalo na yung masambal ka nang walang kasalanan.
Ay, nako, masakit yan. While we wait for the judges' decision.
And your winner in our slap battle here in Dynasty Fight Club, powered by URCC, in the red corner, DJ Velasco!
And there you go, our winner for our first slap battle, GJ Velasco from our red corner.